DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has been spoken about by so many people on YouTube, on social media, but I felt like I had to share what was holding me back, and maybe that'll help somebody that's also considering getting the camera. If you're a brand owner, if you're a business owner, if you're a filmmaker who's just looking to get BTS, whatever it is, whatever content you're trying to create in the social media space, this camera really allows you to do it easily. Not only is it small and portable, but once you set the settings and you turn it on, you're just ready to shoot, you're ready to go. For me, I'm trying to vlog more. I'm trying to bring you guys behind the scenes on all my shoots and productions, and even when I travel, I'm just trying to capture everything that I can. One of the issues I was having is bringing my Sony ZV-E1. It is pretty portable compared to all the Sony cameras. However, I found myself in some situations being like a little hesitant to bring my camera, whether it be a restaurant or maybe like horseback riding, whatever activities I was doing. I was hesitating to bring it, and in some situations I wasn't allowed to bring my camera. So if I had the ZV-E1, something that's super portable, that I can carry around, that's not noticeable, it would have allowed me to get the content that I needed. The other great thing about it is that DJI's latest mics are also compatible with the device. For me, I purchased the DJI Mic Mini, and the reason why I decided to go with the Mic Mini instead of the DJI Mic 2 was just because of the look of it. So on my recent trip to Washington, D.C., I had the camera with me and I was going around the city and just getting some shots. So I'll put some right here for you guys to see, and you judge the quality for yourself. I'm not gonna lie, I might have an unhealthy need for pristine image quality at all times. And yeah, that was what was holding me back. I just didn't believe that this camera was giving me better quality than my iPhone could give me. Using my iPhone for BTS has been doing a pretty good job. But you do run into issues like memory space on your phone. But recently, before my trip to DC, I decided to go ahead and try out the camera, and so far, I am really loving the image quality. I get the hype, guys. Everything I mentioned to you is pretty great, but the best part of it might be the price. It's around $500, which is not bad. Now I know $500 doesn't come easily for everyone. Usually when you want pretty good quality from a camera, you have to pay north of $1,000. The other thing I love is all the accessories and mounting options that are available for this device. It really makes capturing easy, and that's the whole point. So what are you waiting for? Go get yourself a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 right now.